Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. And today, guys, I'll be sharing a very important secret I'm revealing to you. I'll be sharing to you the secret that I've discovered on USDT. I know many people have been wanting to trade Dow Jones, but today I'll be showing you the secret that I've discovered, and you can apply it and make sure you make the right trades and become profitable, just like me. As you know, I like you guys to offer the support. Please click the like, click the subscribe, and the notification bell so they get notified every time I drop. So let's not waste much time. Catch me in the charts. Yes, I'm on the charts now, guys. I'm on the charts. You know, I get excited when I get on the charts. So let me not waste time and show you guys one of the things that I've discovered on USDT. Let me zoom in first. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. We are on the 1 hour time frame. We're just gonna start with showing you the movement that I anticipated to happen. As you can see, I knew that the market should be coming to this point, but it didn't come. That's where I was looking at selling. As you can see, I proposed the market to go here to get to this order block, but then it didn't come. So one thing that I say, if trade doesn't come to me or the setup doesn't play out, I leave it as it is. So I could have entered where something like this, yes, or one other thing that means you could catch it where you could catch this one. This you could catch this one. If you see that the market here is pushing down, then you wait for this, then you know that it has to push further down because of what is the other block that you're gonna have, and then you anticipate in the market to have this movement. Do you understand? So this is what you can look for in the market, but you must make sure that you understand the basics. Okay, fine. So let me remove everything because now we're in this video to find the secret. I want you guys to understand the secret. Let's go to daily. Do you see what is happening here? On date, you can see clearly that the market is strong to the downside, and I can use this 21 moving average exponential just to give you guys an indication so that you can see. You see it's still pointing down. Okay, fine. And let's go to 1 hour. You see it's still pointing down, but you can see here it tried to push, but it failed. Okay, fine. Then I'm gonna remove it because you don't want to be having indicators clouding your judgment. You just want to understand the movement that you're gonna be trading and also making sure you understand what is exactly happening. Do you remember when I analyzed this for the first time? I said you can see this point here. I want to show you guys something. Can you see we are having this retest push to the downside? So this is something that is happening in this man. You see? This is something break retest. So this was a retest, as you can see. This was a retest. Obviously, you can see our order block. So now this will become what you can say. Might as well this becomes the last bullish candle before the drop. So this now becomes the other block. You can have something like this. And then once again, if you look at this clearly, you can see that we had a break, and then now we passed this low. We passed this low, so the market is simply giving us what? An indication that yes, indeed, I'm pushing further to the downside. Let me do this. See, now we closed below. We're closing below. So the market has an ability to do this and push to this low. Because you must remember the market won't just reverse out of nowhere. There must be a significant information. So here we can take this as our order block. This is the last candle before the move to the upside, and this one was the last one, and you see close below. So we're having these two informations. Let me do this. Having these two informations. So now we are below, expecting to come where? To this order block. So let me go to 4 hour. As I go down to 4 hour, make sure guys you are able to understand what I'm preaching and what I'm explaining to you guys. The most important thing is understanding the market and the market structure and the nature of the market. So now I can see that we are below here. There's no point for me to say I'm gonna buy. I'm only gonna buy when we reach this point, because now I would say we've reached our demand. So here, where we are at the supply, because the supply demand. See, so there's one of the secrets that you need to understand. Let me do this. Let me do this. Yes, yes, sir. Supply, supply, and you demand. Demand. Yes, yes, demand. He's a demand. Yes, we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up. So here, I'm looking at the market pushing to the upside. Understand? So technically saying, looking at this, what is currently happening, I'm anticipating the market to push further to the upside when it reaches this level. But this at this point here, I'm looking at the market doing what? Correction, June, something. Obviously, the way I know it, something like this. Before it can do what? It can push to the upside. But not forgetting that we are having the movement. The movement, this, which can take it like this, or you can might as well take it from the bottom. Something like this. Understand? And then what you do something new. So you can see we broke this uptrend channel, and then now we are here. So coming into here, as I always say, you can use the channel, but don't marry it. So you can use this, and here you can use. Can you take this one? Let's take this one. Something like this. So once you break here, we're anticipating the market to push to the upside. But looking at what is currently happening, I'm looking at the market here. Obviously, if I sell, my stop loss will be above here, and then my take profit will be here. So that, for instance, tells me and shows me that yes, indeed, I know where I'm going, and I'm anticipating the market to push further to the downside. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame where we mostly take our trades. You need to understand the 4 hours is not where we take our trades. We can hold and monitor our trades on 4 hour bar or initial trades. We enter them on where 1 hour and 15 minutes. So here, that is very much clean. And if you trade US30, I would suggest you take this trade now. You can take this trade, it's still in New York session. You can take this trade. I'm sure it will have pushed down until New York close. I'll take this with the limited, put your stop loss above here, because we don't expect the market to do what? To come here and break above. If it breaks above, then this trade is fake. Because now what I'm trying to say is that you can see we can have a chance of the market coming on 1 hour, yes, and have a chance of the market coming here to test this point. You can have something like this. Have something like this. Understand? Or sometimes what it does, it just does a straight candle. Many people ask me, is this a correction? Yes, it's a spike up correction. They're trying to kick you out. You can have something like this. But at most, I see our trade pushing to the downside. You can see this one, the price is below this management line. And this one, you can use it again to something like this. Understand? So for a clear chance, you can have your pending order here if you don't want to enter this one. Looking at what we are seeing now, it must bounce, come here. But if it comes a little bit here, make sure you enter with a sell and put your stop loss above this high. And then if here it breaks here, make sure you enter. So this is the confirmation that will give you. If it breaks here, enter, and then if it comes a little bit here, enter, because now we've reached a minimum stop loss level and it's coming here. And obviously when it comes to the upside, we're expecting something like a mere correction before we push to the downside. So make sure you understand the entry that you're gonna take here. Understand? Be patient, wait for it, come back, check it around after an hour. Let's see where this candle is. If it's still here, let's rather wait before it. If it breaks, then we know that now we are what? We're broken this downtrend. You see it's a downtrend, and we are pushing further to the downside, because there's a chance that the market can push a little bit up before going down. So make sure you understand all those secrets, the secrets of USDT. You understand the order block. Make sure you understand the impulsive wave. Make sure you can see where it started, and also don't marry the trend line. Those are the secrets I'm sharing with you at no cost, for free, from me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. All I ask from you is to do what? Click the like, click the subscribe, and share with your friends and families. Tell them to click the word notification bell. Catch me in the next video.